hard, don't you think?
What are you doing, silly?
They bite each other. Like you pump like, and they're fast too. They're like a mixture of what do you call it? T-Rexes, baby T-Rexes. And no, not Velociraptors. They don't fly. They a mixture of some
Turduckins?
what?
A mixture of turduckins?
Tyrannosaurus Rex and
Brontosaurus?
What happened to you?
What, the spikes on his head?
Brontosaurus?
No. It was a plant eater. It had spikes on its head, and its head kind of went up, like a little plating of its head. And I forgot its